Welcome to 608 South Rapp, located in the heart of Columbia, Illinois. This charming 1.5-story home features 3 beds, 2 baths, and all kinds of features you are gonna love. Come on in, let's take a look. When you enter, you will first come into this beautiful living room. I love the high ceilings here, and they also have some of the original woodwork with the tall baseboards and these big windows that let in a lot of natural light. And then you can walk through this beautiful pocket door into this room over here. So this is a very nice sized family room. Could also be a study, kids room, all kinds of things you can do with this space. Now let's make our way down this hallway. We will come to this space, which is also very versatile. You could have a formal dining room, another sitting room. It could be a good home office. Plus there's plenty of space over here for a desk or whatever you need. The nice full updated bath, but then you have this beautiful kitchen, which has lots of cabinets. I love the sink with the window, so you can look out while you're doing your dishes, but it's also nice and big where you can have another table. So if you want to have an eat-in kitchen, there's plenty of space for a large table right here. Now let's go upstairs. Here you will find 3 very nice sized bedrooms and another full bath with a secret I can't wait to show you. First you will come to the primary bedroom, which is a nice sized room, newer carpet, and has 2 closets. Next you will find bedrooms 2 and 3 directly across the hall from each other. They both have wood floors and these really neat custom built-in dresser drawers. One has a very nice sized walk-in closet, so if you need more storage space, you will find plenty in these rooms. And we also have a nicely updated full bath, and behind you is a back staircase. So those secret back steps come right out here in the kitchen, which is also right here by the back door to the backyard. So let's go check that out. You are going to love this backyard. Not only is it surrounded by a privacy fence, it's also very flat and has nice mature trees that will give you lots of shade, especially in the heat of the summer. You will also love this oversized 2-car garage that is heated and has plenty of space in front for all the parking that you need. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. If you'd like to take a tour of this home or any others, give us a call. Let us help you live where you love.